this video tutorial, we'll talk about what is meant by the cross-infection control in the dental practice. The cross-infection control is a set and series of protocols, measures, and SOPs which are involved to prevent the transmission of infection from one patient to another patient coming in the line. And this is equally involved the control and measures to eliminate any possibility of transmission of infection from the patient to the healthcare provider, and from the dentist or from the operator to the patient as well. So three things are involved: from one patient to another patient, from the doctor to the patient, and from the patient to the doctor. This does not involve only these things, but it's also involved the transmission and any possibility of infection to the other healthcare professionals that are not present in the environment. For example, the people involved in the cleaning and of the instruments, and the people involved in the waste management as well. So your protocols is also affecting and controlling the transmission of infection to the environment as well, and to all the healthcare, even those who are behind the scene as well. So it is to prevent infection from one patient to another patient, from the operator to the patient, and from the patient to the operator, and from the patient to the environment.